Hi Jashi,
Hi, Daddy.
we are about to eat, so wash your hands first. Before we go for dinner, please wash your hands.
Dad, see my hands are clean.
Is it? Show me. But I think you have to clean one more time. Why? Because lot many bacteria will be there. Microorganisms will be there on your hands, Jashi.
You are lying, Dad.
Okay, then I'll show you something.
Okay.
There is one dish in my hand. Some water is there. Can you clean your hands in this dish? Oh, good. One more time. Clean your hands. So now I'll show you something, Jashi. I'm taking one empty syringe, and
Okay.
it's an empty syringe. I'm taking water from this uh, container itself. From this container, I'm taking the water what you have cleaned, Jashi. That water I'm taking from this. Huh? So I've taken that water into this. The water what Jashi has cleaned his hands, collected in this. Now I'll use a laser and I'll pass a beam of laser through this droplet of water being suspended here. And let us see what happens. Okay? I'll
Okay.
project it onto the wall like this. And let us see what happens. Okay? Now let us make the room dark. Go and
Okay.
put off the light, Jashi. On the wall. Now I'm projecting light through the droplet of water, and now let us see what happens over there on the wall.
Dad.
Have you seen something on the wall, Jashi?
Yes, Dad. I seen on the wall tiny organisms.
Okay, tiny organisms you have seen. Those tiny organisms are called bacteria and microbes, Jashi. They're very harmful for us. So you have to clean your hands very well. Okay,
Okay, Dad.
so you'll be washing your hands.
Yes, Dad. I wash my hands again very well.
Good, good. Keep it up.